My name is Joy. I'm from Clayton, North Carolina, and I knew that I would be traveling alone for my first big trip to France, and I'm an avid home cook. I love gardening and growing things, and I knew that when I came to France, I wanted to both take some cooking classes from someone who is a chef. I wanted to take some higher level cooking classes, but also wanted to really get to know the region that I was going to. I didn't necessarily want to go straight to Paris. I was excited about the idea of going to the south of France, was excited about the wines here and the food, about the markets. And so when I was looking for great solo traveling trips, I did a little bit of research. I looked at a few different blogs and found this one mentioned, Let's Eat the World mentioned, and I went in and looked on their website and contacted Yutunde, and she responded very quickly after I asked her about the trip and what it would be like for a solo traveler. And so that was how I got connected to this tour.